That deep-seated feeling is universal, isn't it? The one where you review your drone footage and it's undeniably beautiful, maybe even stunning, yet there's that persistent, nagging voice whispering that you're holding back, that your creative vision is simply too vast for the technology currently resting in your hands. If you've been on the quest for years, the perfect, uncompromising synergy of professional-grade power and true portability, then you understand the anticipation. We've certainly seen our share of iterative improvements, incremental updates, and polished-up features. But today, we need to acknowledge that the landscape of aerial cinematography is being fundamentally and dramatically reshaped. Before we get into the details, I want to know, what is the one single feature you are praying to see in a new compact drone? Leave a comment below and let me know. We are no longer discussing a minor revision. We are witnessing a ground-up re-engineering of how we capture the sky. If you thought you knew the ceiling of capability for a folding drone, prepare for a complete and total mind shift, because this, my friends, is the officially confirmed DJI Neo 2. It is far more than just a flying camera. It is a cinematic powerhouse that folds down into your backpack. Stick with me for the next few minutes, because by the time we finish, you'll understand exactly why the drone you currently fly, no matter how capable it is, has just taken its first step toward obsolescence. Part 1, the core specs. Unbelievable power, redefined freedom. Let's skip the small talk and dive headfirst into the cold, hard numbers that are guaranteed to make any filmmaker take a sharp inhale. The first, and arguably the most transformative, breakthrough in the Neo 2 is its monumental leap in power management. DJI has, quite frankly, cracked the code on battery energy density, and the result is a confirmed, real-world maximum flight time of 45 minutes. Think about that for a second. 45 minutes. That is enough air time to shoot an entire cinematic short film on a single battery. It's a definitive end to flight anxiety and the frantic, creativity-killing dash back to the landing pad. This is the ultimate gift of time. And in the demanding world of filmmaking, time is the single most valuable asset. But a lengthy flight is useless if you're tied down to a small, restricted perimeter. And that's where the Neo 2 truly delivers on the promise of freedom with the all-new OcuSync Neo 4.0. In optimal conditions, we are talking about a transmission range that doesn't just push existing boundaries. It seems to completely dissolve them. More critically, it maintains a rock-solid, incredibly low-latency 1080p video feed, even when operating in dense, challenging urban environments. You are seeing a crystal-clear, real-time mirror of the drone's view, hundreds of miles away, and the connection is so robust and immediate that the drone feels like a direct, intuitive extension of your own hand. All of this immense power is somehow packaged into a shell that manages to be both measurably lighter and more aerodynamically efficient than its predecessor. Holding for the first time, it feels almost impossible. A professional cinema tool that weighs less than a full water bottle. This is a definitive new paradigm. Unparalleled portability finally meeting uncompromising, heavy-hitting performance. Part 2. The camera system, visual poetry in the sky. Now, we need to talk about the optics, because this is where the Neo 2 definitively earns its title. For what feels like a lifetime, the filmmaking community has been begging for a larger sensor in a folding form factor, and DJI has not just listened. They have over-delivered with a custom-engineered 1-inch CMOS sensor. Yes, a full 1-inch sensor, but that is only the preamble to the real story. This high-end sensor is paired with a revolutionary, brand-new f/2.8 to f/11 variable aperture. This is not a trivial marketing gimmick. This feature is a single differentiator between a flat, amateur snapshot and a deeply textured, professional masterpiece. Imagine shooting on a blinding, sun-drenched midday. You can stop the aperture down to f/11 to achieve a true, organic motion blur with a lower shutter speed, completely eliminating the need for excessively dark and deep filters that can compromise image quality. It grants you the kind of precise control over both depth of field and exposure that, until this moment, was strictly reserved for much heavier, exponentially more expensive cinema rigs. The video capabilities are equally staggering. We are looking at 5.4K resolution at 30 frames per second, and the long-awaited 4K resolution at a staggering 120 frames per second. That 120 frame capability gives you crisp, native 4K resolution slow motion at 5 times the speed. Think about the unparalleled creative scope for sports, for nature documentaries, for capturing a moment of pure physics in breathtakingly fluid detail. But the true, understated magic lies in the color science. Introducing D-Log Neo, a 12-bit color profile that is capable of capturing an unprecedented, colossal dynamic range. This isn't just about punchy saturation. It's about subtle nuance. It's about effortlessly pulling granular detail from shadows that were once just black voids and perfectly taming highlights that used to be blown-out white noise. It hands a professional color grader an absolutely blank, perfect canvas of visual information upon which to paint their final masterpiece. The footage emerging from a Neo 2 isn't just data. It is indisputable visual poetry. Part 3. Flight and Safety, Neo Sense and Predictive Intelligence. An immensely powerful camera demands an equally formidable and intelligent brain to ensure its absolute safety. The Neo 2 is, definitively, the smartest drone DJI has ever engineered. Full stop. It seamlessly integrates a new, sixth-direction, next-generation obstacle avoidance system dubbed NeoSense 4.0. The onboard sensors are no longer the basic rudimentary depth sensors of the past. They are now true omnidirectional vision sensors fused with supplementary 2S time-of-flight, TOF, laser sensors. This fusion of sight and ranging allows the Neo 2 to actively construct a hyper-accurate three-dimensional map of its entire operating environment in real time, even during incredibly complex, high-speed maneuvers. You gain the confidence to fly aggressively, closer to natural obstacles, and through impossibly tight gaps, and the drone will actively plot and weave its course around obstacles with an unnerving confidence that borders on prescience. It doesn't just halt for an obstacle. It intelligently glides through a dense forest like a natural, intuitive extension of your creative mind. The new flight modes are, quite simply, spectacular. DJI has introduced an entirely new suite of automated cinematic movements they are calling Neo Shots. Picture a flawless, complex barrel roll around a distant landmark, a hyper-accurate spiral ascent, or a reverse zoom dolly shot that looks for all the world like it was captured by a veteran camera operator, all achievable with a single tap on the screen. The financial and skill barrier to entry for truly professional-level aerial cinematography has effectively just been vaporized. Furthermore, the new ActiveTrack 6.0 system is finally a feature worthy of its name. It leverages advanced deep learning algorithms to not only identify a moving subject, but to accurately predict their future movement. It can maintain a solid lock on a runner, a fast-moving car, or a boat, even if they are momentarily obscured by a large tree or a building. The drone will intelligently move to a calculated anticipated waypoint, predict the subject's reappearance, and re-establish the lock flawlessly. This is a kind of inherent intelligence that transforms what used to be a frustrating, difficult shoot day into a sequence of effortless, repeatable masterpieces. Part 4. The Pilot Experience, Beyond the Controller. The profound experience of commanding the Neo 2 begins the moment your hand touches the controller. The optional new DJI RC Pro Neo controller features a display that is both brighter and of a significantly higher resolution, completely eliminating the irritating need for a separate phone or tablet. The brightness of this integrated display is so intense that you can fly under the harshest desert sun without ever once losing sight of your frame. It's a design that is rugged, perfectly ergonomic, and completely streamlines the entire flight preparation process. But what if you crave a more immediate, visceral, and immersive experience? What if you truly want to become a drone? The Neo 2 seamlessly integrates with DJI's newest generation of FPV goggles. You can effortlessly switch from the precise, traditional control scheme to a full, true FPV experience with a simple flip of a switch and without ever needing to swap to a different drone. This opens up an entirely new dimension of creative shots, allowing you to fluidly blend the measured, professional movements of a traditional cinema drone with the thrilling, dynamic energy of dedicated FPV flight. This represents the first time a major drone manufacturer has successfully and fully unified the two distinct worlds of aerial cinematography. Beyond the physical hardware, the software integration is itself revolutionary. The new DJI Skylink Cloud integration allows you to instantly sync all your flight logs, your preferred gimbal settings, and even your custom LUTs directly to the cloud. You can move from one Neo 2 unit to another, or even switch to a different controller, and your entire flight profile and preference library are instantly and flawlessly there. It is a professional workflow that finally acknowledges that serious creative professionals do not operate using just one single device. And for the post-production workflow, the Neo 2 footage is automatically and intelligently tagged with enhanced metadata, including hyper-accurate GPS location, altitude, and flight speed for every single clip. This might sound like a small, technical detail, but for documentary filmmakers and news organizations, this level of verifiable precision and automatic logging is an absolute game changer for verification and post-production efficiency. Part 5. The value proposition, why you need this now. So, let's step back and take a final, comprehensive look. We've examined a 1-inch sensor coupled with a professional variable aperture. We confirmed best-in-class 45-minute flight times. We've seen predictive obstacle avoidance and cinematic AI available at a single tap. The only remaining question is no longer is the Neo 2 good, but is it worth the investment? The DJI Neo 2 is far more than just a logical upgrade for those coming from older consumer models. It is a genuine, viable alternative to the high-end, heavy-lift camera drones that historically cost upwards of 5 times the price. Before the arrival of the Neo 2, if you needed this level of control over your image, the specific depth, dynamic range, and resolution, you had no choice but to haul a massive Pelican case and spend half an hour assembling a complicated professional rig. The Neo 2 collapses that entire, burdensome workflow into a single, unbelievably powerful folding form factor. It is a definitive democratization of professional aerial cinematography. For the YouTube creator, the real estate mogul, the travel vlogger, or the seasoned independent filmmaker, the Neo 2 delivers an undeniable, unmatched competitive edge. Your final footage will be significantly richer, your flights will be dramatically longer, and your creative limits will be pushed further than you have ever conceived possible. This drone accomplishes far more than just flying. It opens up your world. It unlocks a potential that has been sitting dormant in your creative vision. It is the long-awaited tool that finally allows your captured footage to perfectly match the cinematic quality that has only been living inside your mind. The DJI Neo 2 is a statement. It is a bold declaration that professional quality no longer necessitates a professional-level burden. It is the drone that will give you back your precious time, your freedom of movement, and your absolute creative control. It is the undeniable benchmark against which all future compact drones will be measured. We are decisively entering a new era of aerial filmmaking, and the Neo 2 is the vehicle leading the charge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.